I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card into your Apple ID so funds are available when subscribing to Disney+. Open the App Store, tap your profile, then redeem gift card or code. Scan or enter code manually. Once done, make sure your Apple ID country matches Disney+ availability, because region mismatches block purchases. You're acting now to move value into your account. This avoids payment failures and lets you use the balance directly during checkout. Next, open the Apple TV app or the Disney+ app on your device and choose the subscription option labeled Through Apple. You must select your Apple ID payment during confirmation so the App Store balance is charged. This uses the redeemed gift card rather than a credit card. Once you choose a plan, make sure you review billing frequency and trial terms, because promotional trials may convert to paid automatically. After confirming, Apple processes the payment and activates your Disney+ entitlement through your account. Finally, verify the subscription by checking Settings Subscriptions under your Apple ID. You should see Disney+ active. If the App Store balance was slightly short, add another gift card or a backup payment method. Apple will pull remaining cents from that source. If you don't see access in the Disney+ app, sign out and sign back in, update the app, and restart the device. These steps refresh entitlements. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your receipt for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.